Greetings, greetings, greetings. Say, sometimes the very people where we should not try to reach for Jesus, we are look down upon them, or we would have never want to live or them live. And me not talk about immorality now. Me not talk about for do wrong something. I know that me I talk about. So you think say maybe we should see it little differently, how we look at other people. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this with all of the people them where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure so you no miss none of what I go on. Right here so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from Paul's first letter to the Corinthians, chapter 9, from verse 19 to verse 23. Even though I'm free and nobody no own me, I take myself turn everybody slave so that me can cause as much people to believe in a God as me can. When me do with people who are Jew, me do the sitting them where the Jew them do, so that me could win them over. And when me them amongst people who have to follow Moses' law, me live as according to the law too. Even though me not have to follow it. Me do that so that me can win them over and help them to believe in a Jesus Christ. When me amongst people when I follow the law, me do what them do. Me no mean say me broke God law, No. Me follow Christ Jesus law. But me live like them so that me can win them over and help them to believe in a Jesus too. To the people them were weak, me turn weak too. So that me could have helped them to believe in a Jesus Christ. So based on how people live, me change how me live so that me would do all what me could have do to help save some of them. Me do all of that to help spread the good news about Jesus, and so that we will get the good in them where God promise to give people. A God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.